In this video, I'll be showing you how you can join affiliate programs on AWIN. It is super simple to do. So first of all, what you need to do is log into your account. Then from here, you need to go up to Advertisers and click on the Join Programs. Then from here, you need to select all programs instead. Then you have the opportunity to search for a specific advertiser, or you can filter them by sector, regions, Europe, North America, product feeds, product status, and filter by with all these options down here. So when you find your affiliate program that you want to join, you just simply need to click on it. Then you can read about it here. As you can see, this is something from France. Then you can read about the commission rates. You can send the company an email, or you can up here join the program. And if I join the program here, you can see the general message up here. Then you can choose between the promotion, where you can choose your own account. Then from here, you need to write a message on how you can promote the company's website. Then when you do that, you need to click this off. By checking this box, you are agreeing to abide by the specific terms and conditions for this program. And then when you're done that, you need to just click join. And then you have joined the program and can promote it as much as you really want. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!